Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, to kick off the week, the focus will be on the manufacturing sector with the release of market manufacturing PMI from France, Germany, the Eurozone and the USA. All numbers have remained above 50 in recent months, showing the sector is moving forward, and another good round of numbers should lend some support to the US dollar and the euro. On Tuesday, the focus will be on the European session as traders pay attention to the ZEW Economic Elements Index from Germany, which tends to create volatility and trading opportunities in the euro. From the US, we'll see the latest home sales figure hit the market, which is a key indicator on the state of the American property market and is likely to create some volatility in the US dollar. From New Zealand, at the end of the trading session, we'll see import, export and trade balance figures, which will be closely watched by the New Zealand Central Bank and may help them to decide to move on interest rates. On Wednesday, the focus again will be on Europe with the release of the IFO Business Climate Index from Germany, which came in over 100 last month, and another good number should see the euro strengthen. In the American session from Canada, we'll see the latest interest rate decision followed by a monetary press conference. Although we don't expect any changes in rates, the following statement will be closely monitored for signs of the bank's future movements, and we expect volatility in the Canadian dollar. On Thursday, during the European session, we'll see the all-important GDP figures from Great Britain. These numbers will be closely watched by the Bank of England, as some are predicting there's a chance of an interest rate hike in the nearest future, and we expect volatility in the British pound. In the American session, we'll see the latest durable goods orders figures from the US, which came in at 0.8% last month, and well up on the previous month's figure of minus 2.8%, and a repeat performance should lend some support to the US dollar. On Friday, during the American session, we'll see GDP numbers from the US, which will be closely monitored by the US Federal Reserve in their quest to lift interest rates next month, and volatility is expected in the US dollar. We'll also see the Reuters Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, which is a key indicator of consumer confidence and spending. The figure came in well above consensus last month, and at 95, and a repeat performance should see the US dollar finish the week on a high note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.